Get it, baby girl. I kind of don't want you to get it, but it's so cute. Oh, did you lose it? Oh, no, there it is. It's behind you. Oh, it got away. You lost it. It went behind you. I saw it on the camera. Oh, you see another one? There's a bunch, actually. Oh, there's one back here. It's probably the same one, honestly. You see any more? She's looking for him. Aww. It's sad when she doesn't get what she wants, but I feel bad for the bug as well. Because, I mean, she actually does eat it, but she doesn't really need the nutrition, so it's unnecessary for her to kill it, you know? You gonna go home now? Or are you just gonna... Yeah, you're gonna do that. I knew it. I gotta get my cat. We're gonna get the telescope out that I just got, but look at it.